Welcome. If you're looking to streamline your messaging experience on the Messenger app for PC, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive into a simple, yet essential feature that many users ask about: how to mark a chat as read. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your conversations. Let's get started. First things first, launch the Messenger app on your PC. You can do this by either locating it in your applications or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by all your chats and notifications. It's the central hub for your messaging, and navigating through it is key to staying organized. Now that you're in the app, find the chat that you want to mark as read. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or a work-related discussion. Take a moment to locate that specific chat. Remember, if you have multiple messages, this might take a little scrolling, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. Once you've found the chat, hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a few options to help you manage your conversations better. Among these options, you'll see 3 little dots or an ellipsis icon. This is where the magic happens. Click on those 3 dots to open up a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see several options to choose from, but for today's purpose, we're looking for the Mark as Read option. Go ahead and click on that. Just like that, the chat is officially marked as read. This simple action not only helps you keep track of which conversations you've acknowledged, but it also lets the other person know that you've seen their messages. It's a courteous move that can enhance your communication